Today we're talking about LegalZoom in 2025, what it offers, what it costs, and whether it's actually worth your money. If you're starting a business, handling estate planning, or just trying to stay legally compliant, LegalZoom is probably a name you've already come across. But the question is it right for you? Let's go ahead and break it down. But first, guys, be sure to stick around all the way to the end of the video. We're actually going to show you the process of signing up for an LLC through LegalZoom, and you won't want to miss that. Also, guys, if you're new here, my name is Sam, and this channel is dedicated to helping business owners and entrepreneurs like yourself with free videos and tutorials like this one. Just a disclaimer before we start, we are an affiliate with LegalZoom. We have a link down below in the description. If you choose to use our link, it's at no extra cost to you, and it really helps out the channel. So thank you in advance for that. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. First, what exactly is LegalZoom? LegalZoom is one of the most well-known online legal service platforms out there. They've been around for over 2 decades and have helped millions of people form businesses and take care of personal legal matters without hiring a full-time attorney. Most people come to LegalZoom to start a business, and their most popular service by far is LLC formation. Let's quickly talk about how LegalZoom works. LegalZoom walks you through the entire process of creating your LLC in very simple steps, which we're going to show you later on in the video. You basically just answer a series of questions, and it completes everything for you on their end. And LegalZoom will make sure to review your documents and check for accuracy. They'll make sure that everything's correct before sending it to the Secretary of State Department for your state. We'll go ahead and show you the different packages that they offer now for LLC formation. As you can see here, there are 3 packages. We have the basic package that's $0 plus state filing fees. The pro package, which they recommend, is $249 plus state filing fees. And then the premium package, which is $299 plus state filing fees. Let's go ahead and start with the basic package here. Now, this package is free except for the state filing fees. Something that you need to know when you use an LLC formation company like LegalZoom is that whether you go through an LLC formation company or you do the process on your own through your own Secretary of State website for your specific state, you have to pay state filing fees, and they vary from state to state. So for example, if you live in California, you're going to pay a different state filing fee with California than you would if you lived in Texas. And whether you go through the state website or through an LLC formation service, you have to pay this. And basically, this package only offers you the articles of organization filed with the state. So if you're on a budget, this is a great option. You'll see that this includes the articles of organization, which is the document you need to officially register your LLC with your specific state. They have a name check service provided, which is in their tool that we will show you a little bit later on, but this just confirms that your preferred business name is available and that you're not using a name of an LLC that already exists. They also have a tax consultant from 1-800-ACCOUNTANT that's included with this plan. And if we scroll down a little bit to see these additional features here, this has everything detailed in a list form so you can see everything else that's included. We'll go over this a little bit later when we see some of the plans that have more features. Next, let's talk about this pro plan. So this pro plan is $249 plus the state filing fees, which again vary from state to state. And this plan says it's best for those planning to start and operate a business or a side hustle. Now, obviously, this is just going to include more features with it. It comes with an EIN number, which we're going to talk about a little bit more later on. But basically, this is just the social security number for your business. It's how the IRS is going to identify your business when it's time to pay taxes. Let's go ahead and go through this package. This includes everything from the basic package plus an operating agreement, which helps you set up entity guidelines and settle disputes. Now, operating agreements are not required in most states, but they are definitely recommended, and we recommend that you set one up. So even if you don't go through LegalZoom to set it up, just make sure that you have one set up to avoid any dispute between the founders and shareholders in the future. This also includes an EIN number, which is used to file your taxes, open a business bank account, and to build your staff. We talked about that a little bit a minute ago, but we can talk more about it later on, and we'll show you how to do that when we go through the process. This plan also includes unlimited 30-minute attorney consults about new legal topics related to your business for 30 days. And this is going to auto renew at $49 per month. You can cancel this anytime. This is really the big differentiator between LegalZoom and other LLC formation services out there. If you're starting a venture that's going to be in a very litigious space, then having an attorney like the ones at LegalZoom behind you is going to be really beneficial. So this will obviously vary from business to business and industry to industry, but if you're in a litigious space, then this might be a good company for you to use because they basically have an attorney that you can call anytime for $50 a month. They also have hands-on guidance from an experienced business attorney that you choose based on your state, years of experience, and rating. That's included with this package here, the Pro Plan. And they have access to 150 customizable legal documents for 1 year. This also includes unlimited e-signatures for 1 year. here. And if we scroll down, we'll see everything else that's included here on the left-hand side. They have this attorney guidance, which is called Assist, and you have a 30-day subscription to both of those. There's additional business services here that are included that we just spoke about. And all levels of support have chat and phone, so there's no difference between the 3 plans here. All right, now that we've talked a little bit about the Pro plan, let's go ahead and go over the last plan, which is the Premium plan. Now, this plan is $299 plus state filing fees. This one says it's best for those who want to operate a business and easily manage cash flow. In the Premium plan, it includes everything from the Basic plan and the Pro plan, plus these features. It has bookkeeping tools that easily manage your books and save money on taxes for 6 months. This auto renews at $9.99 per month, and you can cancel it anytime. They also have unlimited customizable proposals and invoices to help you get paid for your work. It has income and expense tracking with auto categorization to save time and maximize your refund. It also has automatic mileage capture for easy expense reporting and tax savings. If we scroll down, we'll see that the Premium plan has everything that LegalZoom has to offer included in this plan. Now, some of these services, like we stated, are an additional fee per month, but this is what really differentiates LegalZoom from other platforms. So now you might be asking, which plan is best for you? If you're on a tight budget, you're just starting out and you just need the paperwork filed, then the Basic plan is going to be great for you. But honestly, if you have a little bit of money to spend, the Pro plan really is going to be the way to go because it offers that EIN, which you won't have to get later on, and a couple other features that are really helpful in starting your LLC. It gives you everything you need to actually run your business and avoid problems later on. If you want a lawyer to review everything because you have specific concerns about your business, then the Premium option might be for you. It's really going to give you that peace of mind that you need when creating your business. LegalZoom also offers additional services. So if you want the Basic plan and maybe you just want an EIN number, which is in that Pro plan, you can do an EIN number as an additional add-on. We'll go over this a little bit later when we walk through the process, but just know that you can kind of mix and match if that's something that you think you need. All right, so who is LegalZoom best for? LegalZoom is great for first-time entrepreneurs, side hustlers, and solo business owners who want a big and reputable brand backing their LLC formation. It's convenient, user-friendly, and handles a lot in one single place. And you don't need to go to a lawyer's office and figure everything out yourself. All right, now that we've done all that, we're going to show you how to set up your LLC using LegalZoom. So go ahead and click on that first link down below in the description, and you can join me here together as we walk through the entire process for you. Once you clicked on the link down below in the description, it should bring you to a page that looks very similar to this. We'll go ahead and click Start My Business, and we'll choose Start My LLC. Now we'll go ahead and enter the name of our business. So we'll go ahead and call it StartupWise 2 since StartupWise already exists. Let's go ahead and click Next. We'll be in California because that's the state I'm in, but go ahead and choose your state. Then it'll bring us right here where we have to select from the plans that we talked about earlier. We have the Basic plan, the Pro plan, and the Premium plan. You'll also see all the detailed features here if you click on this. Let's just go ahead and choose the Pro plan because that's what most of you will probably choose. We'll go ahead and show you how to do that now. All right, after you click Form My LLC, you will see the primary contact information here. So let's go ahead and add that now. And you can add a number if you'd like. Once we're done with that, go ahead and click Next. Now you'll have to tell them what industry you're in. So let's go ahead and choose the industry. We'll just go ahead and say media here for now, and then we'll click Next. Now it'll ask you to keep your LLC compliant to avoid setbacks. This includes compliance filings and business licenses and permits. If you're a first-time entrepreneur, we highly recommend that you do this and get professional help with this. I know that this is one of the mistakes that I made when I started my first business. I didn't have all the necessary license for my city, county, state, and it's just really important to have that all in order before you get started. Let's go ahead and click Next here. And this is just meeting your state's legal obligations with required ongoing filings. So we can go ahead and select a plan here, or we can just say no thanks. We'll go ahead and look at the plans that they have to offer just to show you. So for an additional $99, you can have all the business licenses and permits done. Like I said, a very important part, if you don't have LegalZoom help you, just make sure that you look into it yourself. But honestly, for 99 bucks, it might be just worth having them do it to save you from the headache. So we'll go ahead and add license and permits here. Next, they work with a couple different business bank accounts. We actually have a bunch of videos on the channel with our favorite business bank accounts. We'll be sure to have that video linked down below in the description, but some of our favorite are Mercury and Novo, and we'll have links to those down below as well. We'll just go ahead and say no thanks for these ones. There's a few more enhancements that they'd like to offer you before we finish the process here. So there's a 1-day expedited processing. You don't really need this unless you absolutely need to start your business today. So we'll just say the standard processing. They also have a founder's kit, and this includes a binder with your business name, some formation documents, all organized neatly. You can just do this yourself, or you can have them do it, but it's $99. We'll go ahead and say no thanks on that one for now. Let's go ahead and click Next. And as we review our order here, let's go ahead and check it out. It says the LLC Pro package, which was $249, $49. We added that $99 business license and permits package on as well. And then the state compliance filing is billed annually, but we get a 10-day free trial on that. As you can see, the California filing fee was $70. The California statement of information fee was $20. So all that added together is a total of $438 today to have our LLC set up and to have LegalZoom do all of the work for us. And as you can see here, you can actually write off the cost of LegalZoom's services. They're tax deductible, which is great. So go ahead and let's click continue to checkout when you're ready to go here. And you can either pay in monthly installments or in one payment. We'll go ahead and do one payment here. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in here, but I'll go ahead and enter my information, and we'll go ahead and put our credit card information here as well. And once we've done that, we can scroll all the way to the bottom here and click agree and pay to finish and check out. After you've done that, LegalZoom will do everything and sending all of your information to your Secretary of State, and you'll be all set to go. All right, guys, before finishing off the video here, let's go over some of the pros and cons of using LegalZoom to start your LLC. The first one is LegalZoom is super reputable. They've been around over 2 decades. They've had millions of people use their platform. They're a huge name, and they're great for people who want guidance along the process of running their business. The second pro is that they have a lot of legal features included that are really great for businesses in very litigious industries. If that's you, you'll definitely want to take advantage of some of the additional services that LegalZoom has to offer. Their plans are super customizable. There's a bunch of add-ons that can tailor the formation exactly to what you would desire for your business. They also have a 60-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the formation service that they offer you. Let's talk about some of the cons. For the pro and premium packages, LegalZoom is a bit expensive when compared to some of their competitors, but it does have that legal option and they give you access to attorneys, so it might be worth it for you. Also, all those additional services can add up pretty quickly. If you go with the basic plan that's free, it's pretty bare bones, so you might end up adding additional services anyway. That's just something to be mindful of. Also, the registered agent service, which we highly recommend, is an additional fee and it's pretty expensive, one of the most expensive in the industries. If you want to know more about registered agent services, we'll leave a link to another video we made here. They're really important. They help keep your information off the public domain, and you definitely need one. So here's our final take. LegalZoom is a solid option if you don't mind paying a little bit extra for the convenience of having everything in one place. Also, if you need the support from a legal team because you're in a pretty litigious industry and you don't want to pay insane legal fees, then LegalZoom is definitely the right option for you. On the other hand, if you're trying to be cost effective or want more privacy and support, we'd recommend checking out a platform like Northwest Registered Agent. We'll be sure to have both linked down below in the description, and just know that if you do choose to use our link, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free videos like this for you, so thank you so much in advance for helping us out there. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave us a like, comment down below, hit that notification bell, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And lastly, guys, this channel is dedicated to helping new and existing business owners like yourself with everything they need to know to start and grow their business. So thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best, and we will see you back again in the next video.